Looking for the perfect beach holiday that combines relaxation, a calm atmosphere, and the best swimming experience? There's a delight in store for you. We've chosen 5 stunning beaches in the United States. Each beach was chosen not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its close connection to the natural world, unique social dynamics, health benefits, and motivating surroundings. Get your hat on and come on with me as I uncover these coastal gems that will brighten your spirits and delight your senses. These 5 breathtaking beaches in the United States are simply waiting for you. Number 1. Coronado Beach, San Diego, California. If you're looking for a sun-soaked getaway, San Diego should definitely be on your radar, and Coronado Beach is a crown jewel of this coastal paradise. With its constant warm weather and stunning scenery, it's no wonder families flock to this 1.75-mile stretch of golden sand, which sparkles with flecks of mica. Enjoying the ocean breeze and staying until evening to see some of the most beautiful sunsets you can imagine. As you stroll along the Ocean Boulevard, you'll be treated to a backdrop of stunning homes and mansions that add to the beach's charm. Don't miss Gloria Bay either. It offers a lovely view of the Gloria Bay Hotel and the San Diego Coronado Beach. The grassy park area here is the perfect one for a picnic, complete with playgrounds for kids and restrooms for convenience. Now, while Coronado Beach is an absolute dream, it's essential to keep a few safety tips in mind. Recently, San Diego implemented a more sensitive ocean water testing system that can trigger swimming closures when bacteria levels are too high, especially after rain. But don't let that worry you too much. The beach itself is still open and there are plenty of activities to enjoy. Coronado Beach family-friendly amenities, lifeguards are on duty. Little ones can play safely here. The sand is firm and gradually slopes into the ocean, perfect for long leisurely walks. Should you intend to remain at the beach until the evening, remember to pack some firewood. Don't forget to bring some firewood. The northern end of the beach has fire rings where you can cozy up until 11 p.m. This magically concludes your day. You'll often find professional sandcastle built near the hotel who create impressive structure. Feel free to snap some photos and show your appreciation with a donation. And if you venture a little further south, you might stumble upon Coronado Shores Beach, where you can even see a shipwreck. Coronado Beach is truly a slice of paradise. You can enjoy swimming, volleyball, and even fishing. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Coronado Beach's proximity to downtown San Diego allows you to easily spend a day at the beach before exploring all that the city has to offer. Number 2, Siesta Beach, Siesta Key, Florida. Siesta Beach on Siesta Key, Florida truly feels like stepping into a postcard. Have you ever walked on sand that stays cool beneath your feet, even when the sun is blazing? That's the magic of Siesta Beach's quartz sand, which is 99% pure and has journeyed all the way from the Appalachian Mountains. Just think about the stories that the sands could tell. Historically, Siesta Key was known as Clam Island, a hidden gem until the early 1900s. Everything changed when Robert Inn opened in 1906, attracting visitors looking to escape the winter chill. As bridges were built to connect the island to Sarasota, Siesta Beach quickly became a must-visit destination, earning top honors on TripAdvisor multiple times. What's enchanting about Siesta Beach is the endless array of activities. Beyond sunbathing, you can dive into swimming, fishing, parasailing, and snorkeling. With gorgeous spots like Crescent Beach and Turtle Beach nearby, there's something for everyone. Nature lovers will appreciate the eco-tours and opportunities for wildlife spotting. Accessibility is another standout feature of Siesta Beach. With Moby mats and beach wheelchairs, it ensures that everyone can enjoy the shoreline. Plus, there are public restrooms, showers, and a wide variety of dining options, from casual beachside snacks to more upscale experiences. If you're wondering when to visit, the sweet spot is from April to May or September to October. The weather is usually ideal and the crowds are more manageable than during the busy winter months. But don't underestimate winter. It's a fantastic time to soak up the sun while the rest of the country shivers. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and comment on which beach you like the most. Let's explore the next beach. Number 3, Oak Street Beach, Chicago, Illinois. When you think of the best beaches, you probably imagine heading out of the city, right? Well, Chicago's Oak Street Beach flips that idea on its head. Nestled right along the shores of Lake Michigan, this beach is a hidden gem with an incredible view of the Chicago skyline. Whether you're a local or just visiting, it's the perfect spot to kick back and enjoy some sun. You roll up to Oak Street Beach, rent a comfy lounge chair or a cabana, and soak in the sun while enjoying some delicious bites from local vendors. Sounds great, right? The beach is always buzzing with activity. Think bikers cruising by, joggers getting their morning exercise, and people roller skating along the paved path. You can easily spend the day relaxing, joining a volleyball game, or just people watching. The vibe is friendly and fun. Now, let's take a little detour into the past. Oak Street Beach has an interesting story that dates back to the late 1800s. Back then, the shoreline was much gentler, but that all changed when a shipping pier was built, creating a sandbar. Enter George Streeter, who found himself stranded on this new land and decided to turn it into his own little island. He went as far as encouraging people to dump more stuff there to expand it. This led to some wild legal battles, including a few gunfights. In the end, the city reclaimed the land, which is now known as Streeterville, adding a rich layer to the beach's charm. Over the years, Oak Street Beach has evolved from a part of the Lincoln Park district into a favorite urban escape, making it a hotspot for both relaxation and socializing. So, what can you expect when you visit? Plenty! The beach is equipped with restrooms, Wi-Fi, and accessible paths, making it easy for everyone to enjoy. Feeling hungry? You can grab a bite at Oak Street Food and Drink, or enjoy a refreshing drink from Boucher Brothers, who also rent out beach chairs and umbrellas. If you're looking to pamper yourself a bit, check out Coup de Main for a massage right on the beach. Swimming is allowed during lifeguard hours, but the real highlight is the volleyball scene. The beach hosts a ton of tournaments during the summer, so you can either join in or cheer from the sidelines while soaking in the stunning views. Number 4, Carl Smith Beach, Hilo, Hawaii. Carl Smith Beach is often called 4 Mile, and it's one of those hidden gems that you can't help but fall in love with, especially if you're in Hilo. Just a quick drive from downtown, this park offers a unique swimming experience that feels like a natural oasis. The way the lava rocks and reef create a protected lagoon makes it almost like a giant swimming pool, perfect for families and kids looking to have some fun. The best part, the water here is usually calm, with small waves that make it safe for little ones to splash around. You'll notice that the water temperature can be a bit cooler than other beaches, thanks to some fresh water seeping in, creating nice, refreshing spots to enjoy. And if you're into snorkeling, you're in for a treat. Turtles often visit, and there's an underwater world waiting to be explored. While you won't find a sandy beach here, the well-kept lawn is great for lounging. You can easily set up a picnic on the grass, with plenty of tables around for convenience. The park is also equipped with restrooms, showers, and drinking water, so you'll have everything you need for a comfortable day out. Plus, there's a lifeguard on duty during weekends and holidays, adding a bit of peace of mind. Number 5, Rockaway Beach, Queens, New York. When summer hits New York City, there's nothing like a trip to Rockaway Beach. Just a subway ride away, this sandy oasis is where locals go to escape the heat. Sure, it doesn't have palm trees, but with its 5-mile boardwalk, soft white sand, and surf-worthy waves, it's a real gem in Queens. You can hop on the A train to Far Rockaway and get off at Beach 67th Street, and you're practically on the sand. Or if you want a more laid-back vibe, the NYC Beach Bus is a fun way to roll in. Once you arrive, you'll find a mix of families, surfers, and laid-back beachgoers all enjoying the chill atmosphere. The beach really has something for everyone. If you're into surfing, head over to the official surfing area between 67th and 69th Streets. You can catch some waves or just enjoy watching the pros doing their thing. If you're looking for a quieter spot, check out the eastern stretch from 105th to 116th Streets. It's perfect for families or anyone wanting a little peace and quiet. Rockaway Beach isn't just a summer destination, it's a symbol of resilience. After Superstorm Sandy, the community came together to rebuild and create the beach scene that we enjoy today. With its friendly vibe and sense of community, it's no wonder millions flock here every summer. Goodbye.